The Holo Hot token is one of the few that has made money in the last week, so it's worth checking out today. Will Hotcoin hit 10 cents in 2021? Stay tuned to find out. Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into the video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure that the post notifications are turned on so that you never miss a video from us. Two more benefits that contribute to Holochain price forecasts for 2021 are related to how programs produced on this network can be customized towards everyday internet users, implying that this infrastructure can benefit consumers with limited technological expertise and confidence. Furthermore, fast application development tools mean that these apps can hit the market rapidly, avoiding the costs and roadblocks that blockchain can bring. This isn't to suggest Holochain doesn't have its own cryptocurrency. It does, and it's called HOT. The point we're trying to make here is that using tokens is entirely optional. So, how can a price prediction for a HOT coin spark such a frenzy? Early in April, the token's value skyrocketed, bringing Holochain price projections into sharp focus. HOT began the year at $0.000592 and has now risen to 1.3460 cents in just over 4 months. To put it in perspective, this brought the total gain to 5,232%. With a 24-hour trading volume of $182,444,324 US, the current Holo price is 1.3460 cents US. In the last 24 hours, Holo has lost 2.6% of its value. The current rating on CoinMarketCap is number 70. Meanwhile, some HOT currency price forecasts indicate that the project's best days are still to come. The project currently has a market capitalization of $2.3 billion, with 172.9 billion HOT in circulation. The discovery that the business behind Holochain was given a US patent for the networking advancements it had built could have been a driving cause behind its recent jumps. This was a defensive action, according to the open-source project, and the developers fully planned to distribute it openly inside the context of the Holochain framework. This week, Holo began the beta testing of an app called Elemental Chat. The Holochain launcher can also be used to execute this application as a standalone node. HOT, as the underlying bullishness in the daily chart increases, the token price breaks above the consolidation range. The price has been driven lower by the recent development of a bearish candlestick, signaling a retest of the consolidation area. The token's resistance levels, according to pivot point analysis, are 1.7 cents and 2.0 cents. If the price falls below 1.1 cents, however, sellers may run against resistance at 0.9 cents and 0.46 cents. Furthermore, intraday trade volume jumped by 275% from the previous day. If the slump continues, investors can expect the price to drop below 1.1 cents. At the pattern breakout, traders can find bearish entry opportunities. The price of the HOT cryptocurrency is in a negative trend as it is trading below all of the important EMAs of 20, 50, 100, and 200. Furthermore, the price action suggests that the number of sellers has increased, causing the price to fall. As the slope in the daily frames declines, the RSI indicator suggests an increase in the underlying bullishness of HOT token price. The MACD is displayed using MACD indicators, and the signal lines are drawn lower on the daily chart. A sell signal is indicated by the MACD indicator. Despite the bearish candlestick on the daily chart, a HOT token price suggests an increase in the underlying buying power. If there is continued buying pressure, investors should expect the token price to reach 2 cents soon. Holo is supposed to operate as a bridge between Holochain, which symbolizes the realm of crypto technology, and everyday consumers. The project emphasizes many advances, including the capacity to host P2P programs on the internet for mainstream users that it claims would allow a dramatic shift in the landscape of crypto applications and currencies. The Holo network is made up of a number of hosts that supply storage and processing capacity to Holochain-based dApps. The hosts can either run software in the background on their computer that automatically distributes extra processing power to Holochain-based dApps, or they can run a specialized machine like a Holoport. Hosts are compensated with HoloFuel, a coin designed exclusively for microtransactions. The Holo network should be able to handle billions of transactions simultaneously because of HoloFuel's design. The project's business plan focuses on creating a peer-to-peer ecosystem of hosts and applications, equating its anticipated influence on app hosting to Uber's and Airbnb's respective effects on the taxi and hotel industries. Holo makes money by charging a fee for Holofuel transactions. Hence, its business plan is based on increasing the number of apps and hosts on the network. From March through April 2018, Holo held a first community offering. In the end, 177.6 billion HOT were created through a demand-driven approach, with 133.2 billion HOT, or 75%, going to the general public, and 44.4 billion HOT, or 25%, going to the team and firm. There were no vesting or lockup periods for team tokens. When Holofuel is released, HOT tokens will be able to be exchanged for Holofuel tokens at a 1-to-1 ratio. Holo announced in January 2019 that, instead of being burned right away, the traded HOT would be held as a reserve currency to offer liquidity to Holofuel holders. There will be no limit to the amount of Holofuel available. Instead, it's built to be dynamic and includes a credit system that allows users to have negative balances. The supply will be algorithmically managed, reducing and increasing in response to demand as well as changes in the relationships between users with negative and positive balances. Holo hopes that this will keep the price of its tokens reasonably steady from one moment to the next, rather than being subject to wild, speculative price movements. Holochain has had its fair share of ups and downs. There have been numerous occasions when Holochain has astonished us. The progress has likewise been slower than anticipated. The coin was likewise intended to remain stable throughout the year, but alas, according to TradingBeast's predictions, 2021 will end on a positive note. By December 2021, the price is expected to be 2.78 cents. Wallet Investor has also expressed interest in the coin. The coin is expected to sell for 2.5 cents by the end of the year, according to them. The digital coin price estimate by Holochain is also quite logical. According to the forum, the price of Holo HOT will rise to 2.48 cents by the end of the year. Early in January 2021, Holochain traded at $0.0006 with a slight increase in volume. On a bullish trend, the price began to rise. Because Holochain employs its own ecosystem technologies, costs may rise in the coming months. According to TradingBeast's prognosis analysis, the price may vary from 2.5 cents to 3.5 cents by the end of November. By the end of 2022, Holochain might be worth 3.92 cents according to Wallet Investor. It's crucial to conduct your own study before deciding whether Holochain has the potential to challenge current blockchain platforms and capture market share. This enterprise has been around for nearly 3 years, and its multi-billion-dollar market capitalization lends it some legitimacy. However, this is an industry rife with uncertainty, and if a bear market emerges next year, prices might plummet. Do your own research and keep in mind that your decision to trade is based on your risk tolerance, market expertise, the spread of your investment portfolio, and how comfortable you are with losing money. Given the various Holo price estimates, it may be too early to draw any conclusions about the Holo price. Even if the altcoin is predicted to expand in value over the next 5 years, you must decide whether it is worthwhile to invest in Holo. The most intriguing aspect is that the Holo price has risen after remaining flat last year. Due to the 20x rise in the past, Holo provided a fair income to twice as many ICO holders. It's referred to as lucrative, and Holochain's future remains bright. It is advantageous to begin investing today. With this, we have come to an end. Thank you for watching the video. The content in this video is for educational purposes only, and hence should not be considered as financial advice. We all know that the crypto market is highly volatile, and by the time you watch this video, the prices would have changed to a whole new level. So, all the financial decisions should be made after doing your wide-spectrum research. Also, make sure that you like this video, comment down your thoughts regarding this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated about the latest crypto news.